Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and Apple has released iOS 26.3.1. As expected, this update came out to the public, of course without going through the beta stages, as it is a smaller update, yet is actually very important. So in today's video, we're going to talk about this update, and I will show you guys 5 really important things that I believe you must do immediately after you have updated your device to the new iOS 26.3.1. Now the first thing you want to do is, of course, make sure you head on to the Settings app and go here under the General Settings, go to the Software Update page and make sure you have updated your device to the new iOS 26.3.1. Again, it is really important as it will bring important security fixes and under the hood improvements to your device. Now once you have done that, the one thing you want to do here is make sure that you have your automatic updates enabled. Why you must do that? Because there might be another update coming in the coming days. Now we know that iOS 26.4 is coming out most likely by the end of this month or very early on April, but until then we might get a smaller update like this one, so make sure you have your automatic updates enabled. Now another thing you want to do is head on to your settings and then go under privacy and security. Once you go here, scroll down, and then you will have here background security improvements. Make sure you have this enabled and basically set to automatically install. Now if you remember, this used to be under the update section. Now it's its own section here under security and privacy. Basically what these are smaller updates that will bring improved security improvements to your device, but don't show on the update page of your device. They just get installed automatically in the background, so you don't even notice them. But again, they're really important, so you make sure you have enabled right here automatically installed for security improvements for your iPhone. Now usually when we get iOS updates released to the public, there will be also a ton of carriers which will release updates. So the way to make sure that you have your latest carrier update installed, and of course make sure that you get the best carrier coverage on your device, is go ahead and go to your settings, go under General, and then head on to the About section. Now you don't need to press anything here or install any update. All you have to do is just head on and stay on the About section for at least like 10 seconds, and if there is like an update for your carrier, it will show on the screen right here. All you have to do then is, of course, tap to install the carrier update and you're good to go. The carrier update will be installed in a few seconds. Don't need to reboot your device or go through any installation process. Everything will be done really quick. Another thing you want to make sure you do is update your apps. Usually when a new iOS software update is out, there will also be updates for apps, especially the more popular apps. They usually will release an update after an iOS update is out to the public. So you want to make sure that you have the latest version of that app that is most compatible with that software update. So make sure you go to App Store, go to your apps updates, and make sure you have them all up to date. Now if you don't want to bother with doing that, you can always head on to your settings, go to apps here, then go to App Store, and under automatic downloads, make sure that you have enabled app updates. That way your apps will automatically be updated whenever an update for that app is out. And last but not least, make sure you go ahead and check the battery health of your device. Now there's a reason why you must do this. So you go to battery health, you will see right here the battery health of your device, basically the maximum capacity. The reason to do this is that if you have a battery that is close to drop under 80%, it might drop there once you update your device, because a lot of times iOS won't actually update this number right here until you update your device. That's the time that the iPhone will recheck all its components, and that's the time when it will show you the real battery health of your device. Maybe it has happened to you, you have noticed it before. You basically have the battery, let's say, stuck at like 83% for like a few months, and then once you update your device, it shows, let's say, like 78 or 79. It drops quite a few points. A lot of people think this has been caused by the update. It's actually not. It's just when you update your device, it shows the real battery health. So make sure you check it and make sure it's not under 80%, because at that time you will actually need to replace your battery. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are 5 things that I believe are very important and you must do on your iPhone once you have it updated to the new iOS 26.3.1. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and you found it helpful. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.